Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. Now in this video, I will show you and tell you how to stop backup in Google Photo. Please subscribe to the channel. Watch the rest of the video. Like it. Let's get started. In order for us to stop it, we need to go to Google Photo app. You have to sign into Google in the top right corner of Gmail. And once you're signed in, you scroll down to the bottom. You click on Google Photo Settings. Then at the top you have this setting called Backup. In order for us to stop the backup, we just need to turn this slider off. After that we can pause the backup in Google Photo absolutely on any device. If you liked and found this video helpful, you can like it, subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. Thank you all for watching. Goodbye.